Hello, very good afternoon to all my students. I am Dr. Abhay Kumar Mahanti, reader in Zoology, Gopalpur College, Gopalpur, Baleshwar. Just my topic is TCA cycle, tricarboxylic acid cycle or Krebs cycle. So for plus 3 secondary science, 4th semester. So start. So first Krebs cycle, TCA cycle, very important topic. Krebs cycle, a TCA cycle or tricarboxylic acid cycle. So, according to the name of Krebs, Hans Krebs, 1931. So, occurring in the matrix of mitochondria. So, then Krebs cycle. So, first, I have completed my topic in glycolysis that from one molecule of glucose, so in glycolysis, we'll get 2-pyruvic acid or 2-pyruvate, 6 carbon compound glucose. Glycolysis process, we have completed this chapter. Glycolysis, we have completed. So from glucose in glycolysis, broke down into 2,6C, then 3C, 1,3C, here pyruvic acid 3C, here pyruvic acid 3C. So same thing occurring in both sides. So we have to go through in one side pyruvic acid. That's pyruvic acid, 3 carbon compound, just converted into acetyl coenzyme A. So by releasing of carbon dioxide and NADH2, the enzyme here pyruvic dehydrogenase, pyruvic acid, 3 carbon compound, here 3, glucose is 6, glycolysis, then Krebs cycle or TCA cycle or tricarboxylic acid cycle. Number 1 step, pyruvic acid converted into acetyl coenzyme A in the presence of enzyme pyruvic dehydrogenase. Here the enzyme, you have to remember, pyruvic dehydrogenase conversion, pyruvic dehydrogenase. Then this acetyl coenzyme A enters into the Krebs cycle with the combines with the oxaloacetate or oxaloacetic acid. Oxaloacetate, 4C, 4 carbon compound. Here acetyl coenzyme A, this is 2 carbon compound. 4, 2, just join, enter into the Krebs cycle and releasing citrate, 6 carbon compound, citrate, enter into the Krebs cycle, citrate 6 carbon, 4, 2, 6, in the presence of enzyme citrate synthetase enzyme. Remember it, pyruvic dehydrogenase, citrate synthetase, condensing enzyme. So here water 8, then citrate will become 6C carbon, 2, 4, 6C carbon. So citrate again converted into 6-aconitate into by the presence of enzyme aconitase. Here enzyme aconitase, 1 hydrogen, 1 water molecule release. This reaction is dehydration means hydro means water, so hydro separate, water separate, so the release of water at dehydration. So citrate 6C converted into cis-aconitate or 6 carbon compound 6C. So in this point you have to remember dehydrogenase, synthetase, then aconitase. Here this enzyme is aconitase with the activator iron. So here 6-aconitate converted into isocitrate in the presence of enzyme aconitase. So here isocitrate is a 6C carbon, 6C, and 6 carbon compound, again the presence of enzyme isocitric dehydrogenase enzyme here, NADH2, dehydrogenation. Dehydrogenation here occur. This presents isocitrate 6C converted into oxalosuccinate. Here it is 6C. Then unstable one, oxalosuccinic acid. Oxalosuccinic acid. And the oxalosuccinic acid, this is unstable, release and that carbon dioxide release out. This is known as a decarboxylation. Here carbon dioxide release, here process is decarboxylation, then converted into alpha ketoglutarate. This is 5C. Here 6C oxalosuccinate. This is 6C carbon compound. Then carbon 1 molecule release out. Then alpha ketoglutarate. This is the process or chemistry is known as decarboxylation and releasing alpha ketoglutarate, which is 5C carbon compound. 1C release, 6C to 5C. Then alpha ketoglutarate converted into succinyl-CoA. It is in the presence of enzyme alpha ketoglutarate dehydrogenase. Here two process. One is dehydrogenation. Process is dehydrogenation and release of carbon dioxide. Here it is decarboxylation. This point alpha ketoglutarate undergo process of the dehydrogenation and the decarboxylation, means release, and product is succinyl-CoA. Here this is a 5C compound. Again carbon dioxide release, the 4C compound, 4 carbon compound, succinyl coenzyme A. Then succinyl coenzyme A, and in the presence of succinyl synthetase and formation of one ATP here conversion ADP to ATP, the succinyl synthetase enzyme, in the presence of this reaction, the presence of succinyl synthetase enzyme converted into succinate 4C. This is 4C carbon compound. Here this is 4 carbon compound, 4C succinate. Again succinate in the converted into fumarate in the presence of enzyme succinate dehydrogenase enzyme, and one FADH2 is released. Then the process is known as dehydrogenation. Again fumarate having 4 carbon compound converted into malate, 1 molecule of water is added, then known as in the presence of enzyme fumarase. Then fumarase, this process is known as hydration. This is here dehydration, one water molecule release. Here means addition of one water molecule. Hydration, hydro means water, 1 water molecule added. So fumarate converted into malate, which is 4 carbon compound, and malate in the presence of enzyme malate dehydrogenase. The process, the chemical process, the dehydrogenation occurs. One NADH2 is released, then converted into oxaloacetate, which is 4 carbon compound. Oxaloacetate again combines with acetyl coenzyme A and 4C. Again acetyl coenzyme 2C, 2 carbon compound, that will again converted into citrate 4C. This cycle is known as Krebs cycle, TCA cycle. In this process, you have to remember that the various steps, what will be here. Condensation reaction is condensation, number 1. Number 2, dehydration. Number 3, hydration. Number 4, dehydrogenation. Number 5, decarboxylation. Number 6, dehydrogenation and decarboxylation both. And here number 7 is formation of ATP, and number 8 is dehydrogenation. Again in the reaction, again this reaction is hydration, again dehydrogenation. This process systematically you have to remember that condensation, hydration, dehydration, dehydrogenation, dehydrogenation and decarboxylation, formation of ATP, dehydrogenation, hydration, dehydrogenation. This series process, these serial steps of chemical reactions in this process, and the enzymes are here citrate synthetase, here aconitase, isocitric dehydrogenase, here that is alpha ketoglutarate dehydrogenase, here succinyl synthetase, here dehydrogenation succinate dehydrogenase, here fumarase, and here malate dehydrogenase. These steps, 10 steps, these reactions, hydration, dehydration, condensation, such and such. Then the enzymes are there in the steps, reaction steps, enzymes are such and such. Here from 1 glucose, 6C in glycolysis, 2C, 3C, 3C in glycolysis cover, then 3C pyruvication converted acetyl enzyme A. Here 3C carbon, 3 carbon compound, again that become 2 carbon compound acetyl coenzyme A. Acetyl coenzyme A again enters into the matrix of the mitochondrial Krebs cycle, which is 4 carbon compound oxaloacetate, again 6, then convert 6, 5, 4, again 4, 4, 4, again 2, this is 6. This serial series of chemical reactions, this series of Cartesian cycle or Krebs cycle. So here energy release in the cycle, total energy, here point, at the conversion of pyruvic acid into acetyl coenzyme A. Here this NADH2, here NADH2, so number 1 NADH2, here at the point NADH2, again second, here NADH2H1, NH2, then again NADH2, here NADH2 3, again NH2 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 3 here, NADH2 4. So NADH2 4. So 1 releasing 3, 4 into 2, that is 12 ATP, NADH2 4, 12 ATP. Again FADH2, here FADH2, here FADH2 release, FADH2, so Gutia 1, we're releasing 2 ATP, here 1 into 2, that is 2 ATP, then ATP, 1 ATP here, so ATP, GTP, ADP, ADP 2 ATP, here 1 ATP, 12 to 1, 15 ATP. So here total 15 ATP total, and 1 pyruvic acid, again another pyruvic acid 15, so 15 plus 15, 2 pyruvic acid, 2 pyruvate, that is 30 ATP, from another 30, that is total 30 ATP we will get. So this is all about Krebs cycle, TCA cycle, or tricarboxylic acid cycle. Thank you all.